330 Paul Street, Bedford, Ohio update video. A little bit of snow here, it's still cold. Gotta do these videos, make sure we have full. So we're gonna be met with the plumber over here, so he's gonna be doing the bathroom. How's it going, sir?
Good, yourself?
Good, good, good. Right now we have the painters in here. How's it going, guys?
Good, how you?
Good, good, good. So they're getting everything prepped and painted. There was a mirror up here we got down. So that got taken care of. We're gonna be putting all paint, plugs, switches, lights, all brand new Sherwin-Williams paint. Good stuff. And we'll put new flooring in. But this is a nice one. It's a ranch. It's going to be a 3-2. We're going to redo this whole kitchen. So that's going to be done. But right now we're working on getting all this prepped and painted. The good thing with this house, it's got big bedrooms and it's got a hellacious basement. It's huge, which I'll show you in just a minute. But all these bedrooms are nice sized. And you got a double car garage here, which is nice. This one will be going up for sale. If you're interested in buying it, let me know. It's my personal property. But you can see all this is getting painted, all this is done. We're putting in new lights. It's going to be a beautiful house when we're done with it. We do this all the time. This is, I've done over 1,200 houses with this stuff. So let's go down to the basement. We have a newer heater. You can see this thing's huge. So he's laying out the bathroom there. We got a newer heater. It's half of this basement will be finished. And you got a newer electrical panel here and a newer heater. There's a water heater. So again, we're going to get this thing done. It's going to be a beautiful house when it's done. Look at check out the website below, 216-703-574 on Brett Key Realty. If you're interested in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Bedford, Ohio, call me. Thanks.